Right guys, so Merry Christmas. So I got my mountain of gifts right there. I've opened some of them. I used some of them, so that's a huge pile. It's like a mountain. There's some gifts right over there. Okay, and I got my disinfecting UV light wand, which is as seen on TV, which is from TV. So I got that one too. Like it was at a Dollar Tree for about $1. So those are sold in some Dollar Trees. I have a line of colors over here, and I got this one right here. I got that today. So I opened it all. Although I opened some gifts on Christmas Eve. And this is what it looks like. Look at it. It's really big. I got a train there. Alright. So let's go line the cars. So here we go. Okay, let's all line the cars. Lots of different kinds here. Most of them Hot Wheels here. So I got some. These two here came with the set. Some of these I got from dollar stores like Dollar Tree and Walmart. And this one was from Dollar Tree. I'll show you that later. Okay. So this is for your storing. Put that right over there. Okay. Let's start the play set here. Okay. These were in a 5-car set here. So that one, this one's from Walmart, different brand. So it's this one, that one, that one, and do you have any more? That one, okay. Let's go take it. All right. And here's like a little roundabout right there with a fountain. So let's go explore that one. So I know how to use turn signals to right. You have to go like this. See? Like this. Or if you are turning left, you have to go almost all the way. You have to go that way. Or if you're just going straight, you have to use the right blinker signal, then the left blinker signal, then the right blinker signal, like this. And there's like a monster right there. Nothing clothes. Looks like Bigfoot. I mean, not Bigfoot, King Kong. Okay. In those, I pretend that they speed your car up. I pretend that they're speeding it up. I have a train over there, right? So let's go bring them in. Let's bring them all inside. And this one can take up almost all the road. I turn this way. I can go turn anywhere. I just Alright. So I got this for Christmas here today. This one was from Burlington. Well, 26, I think. 26, yeah, $26 in Burlington. In the mall I go to. Just real small. So over there I got a Bluetooth microphone from Burlington. It was about 13, 14, 15. Okay, there's some things here. Okay, let's bring them in. Put some in there. Last car. So now let's go take our drive. Like you can go make a turn right there, or if you're coming this way, you can just go around, then go in there. See? Okay. So you want to go like that, and then you keep going past that King Kong like monster. Looks like he looks similar. Destroying a building. Okay, let's climb over here. There's my phone right there. I got a Bluetooth keyboard. I got from Five Below was 10. I got 3 microphones, and I got a Bluetooth wireless karaoke upstairs for about 15, 10, about 10, I guess. So I was from Five Below. It's in my room upstairs, so I'm going to go over railroad tracks. And he turned him over. He's going the wrong direction. Oh, look at that. And just park. There are parking spots, okay. So if you want to, you can park your car, but that one's taken by the railroad track. I'm gonna park them there. You can park them up. You can see. If you have these little Hot Wheels play mat, you can just put them in. You can put them in every parking spot. I got a railroad track, so that one have to leave it. Can't find any more parking spots. There's some more. I wonder if it can take up all my cars. I wonder, can I keep going? Put them where? Put them somewhere. I can't. That's an imaginary car. So yeah, let's pretend it's a parking spot. Okay. I'm gonna park them inside of the road. Since I don't see any more parking spots. So my mom's calling someone. Okay. So park them right there. Park this one I just got from a dollar store, Dollar Tree. Okay, right there. Careful. Oh, I just want to fall. All right. So we got this one. This one right there. There's the Hot Wheels logo. Where can I park it? Here. Is there any more? There's one more. So I'm going to park it. I'm gonna put it there next to my Christmas train. Sorry, my Christmas train set. There's some more here. I'm gonna show you it again. Just to see if I'm gonna show you to it again, just in case if you didn't see it. There's my disinfecting UV light wand here, over there, where I'm pointing. Yep, there. Sorry. So my mom's constant. Okay, there's a lot of roads. Got the railroad train tracks for the Christmas train. Decorating for Christmas. Okay. Yep, that's it. So we're going to open that one. So, sorry. Okay. So I'm going to, so this is sorry. That's what it looks like. It's it's great for traveling and enhanced hygiene and eco-friendly. That is how it works. Sorry, it's bright. Put the camera. Yep, that's what it works. That's how it works. And there's new in your as seen on TV that kills viruses in seconds. I recommend getting one. Alright, it can work for, it's great for masks, toys, electronics, boxes, doorknobs, cars, so much more. It's portable, folds down. And you have the same logos, but the new is on the left, as seen on TV is on the right. As seen on TV is on the right. And it's also great for phones, keyboards, shopping carts, light switches, packages, and high chairs, ATMs, keys, and more. Like your tablet and stuff. And that's what that says that's great for. There are some in Dollar Trees. So see, it kills 99.9% of harmful viruses, germs, and bacteria. The light is really powerful, so do not look at it or use it on your skin. That might cause an injury. So for great results, you have to keep it there, or like waving it around or keeping it still for about 10 to 20 seconds. 10 seconds, 1 beat, 20 seconds, 2 beats. So I will show you how it works. Okay. So you want, and this is the wand. Has the brand on there. Show you it. Yep. And this is the power button to turn on the light on and off. There is for your batteries. 4 AAA batteries, 2 watts. Okay, you need to open it, and it's off. Okay, it's off. Have to hold on for you guys. Hold on, you guys. Don't worry. You can put it like this. This is what it looks like. You put it in your hand here like this, or on the bottom lower. If you don't want like lights on it on your fingers. It says in red. You see, do not look at light or use on skin. And that's where your light is, okay? And that's your top. So I'm going to show you one example. I'm going to go put some on toys. It can work on toys. So you turn on the light, you wave it. So that's 1 beep. This is an example. It works. So 20 seconds for best results. That was an example. I recommend you getting these. So, alright. And I got things I have to do here. I'm going to go right here, but I'm going to go pack it up. I'm going to go put it in. Alright. Plug it in here. I'm using an iPad mini 4 because sometimes my other tablet keeps dying instantly. The battery, so haven't used it in months because of that crazy battery. But hold on, you guys, I'll go put it in. Careful, don't. Okay. So if you want to, you have to put it in like this while you're filming. So put it in. Look, you have to just slide it in carefully, and you have to put it in carefully, then shut down these folds right there, things, then you shut the lid, and that's how you close it. Yep, so that's what it is. So, bye, and thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas, and hopefully have a wonderful Christmas day.